So what we got today is PS4 DualShock 4 wireless controller, and this is the 20th anniversary edition, limited edition. I got it because I needed another PS4 controller. So I was like, why don't I invest my money into this 20th anniversary edition? So here it is, front of the box. DualShock 4 20th edition, bottom. I got the back. I mean, we all know what PS4 controller looks like and does, so I don't think I need to explain anything. Well, so here it is. I'm gonna open this up. So let me see like what it says in the back. First of all, it says an evolutionary controller for a new era of gaming. The DualShock 4 wireless controller features familiar PlayStation controllers and innovation new additions such as touchpad, light bar, and much more. And the rest is just explaining what it does and is. So that's the back of the box. So I'm going to open up what we got inside. I'll put this box to the side. And voila. So here it is. DualShock 4. Nothing else to it. That's the back, front. Ta-da! So that's the controller. Of course it is gray because of the color scheme for the old PS1 and old PlayStation game systems, the first PS1. So that's why they are color scheming it with that system for the PS4 controller. So you see that original PlayStation logo right in between. We got our touchpad, thumbsticks, and rest of the stuff. I got my R1, R2, L1, L2. So it feels just like any other PS4 controller. It's just as is. It's just the color is gray because of the 20th anniversary controllers, and they want to match it with the PlayStation 1, the original PlayStation 1, which was in the color of gray anyways. So just want to bring back those old memories with this controller for PS4. So I think it's pretty neat. Something. These controllers are limited edition. They are only certain numbers of made. So I'm really glad that I got my hands on these controllers. And I need a PS4 controller anyways, because I only got the one that came with the system. So I was like, rather than getting any other one, why don't I just get these? And it's something that is limited edition anyways for the 20th anniversary. So why not? So I end up getting this one. So what else is in here is the PS4 wireless controller instruction manual. Ta-da! If you guys don't know how to synchronize or connect this with your PS4, please read this and it will explain how to do so. all you need is a USB cable. Hook it up with your PS4 and it should sync. But if you still need instructions how to do so, so go ahead and read this. But for me, I think I know how to do so, so I don't think I need this instructions anyways. It's pretty easy to to connect with your PS4. But it does not come with a USB cable, so make sure you have a USB cable that connects with the top of this right into your PS4 system. And there it is. So you got to have your own USB cable to be able to synchronize with your PlayStation 4. So that's the only thing that does not come with a cable. So that's all. So that's the back of it. It is two color schemes. There's gray, darker gray, and the lighter gray, and the darker gray. Whether one whole black or whole gray, there's two color schemes. Trying to go back to the original PS1 system with the original PS1 logo as your PlayStation button right on top of the controller, right there. You got the bottom head jack or your EXT for your accessories, and you got yourself a share button and an option. It's just like a normal regular PS4 controller, just the only thing that's different is the color scheme and that the PS4 button, the menu button. Alright, so this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up with my system and we go from there. Thank you. Peace.